Welcome to Automate. Automate allows you to customize your email marketing into a branching journey based on user interactions. You can set up campaigns to send to your customers when they subscribe, on a specific date, or on a subscriber's birthday. Simply set up your mailing list, then your sender profile, and that's everything to get started. It's quick and easy to set up a campaign send. Just select your campaign, and then the time and delay before it is sent. You can set up branching paths depending on whether the recipient performed certain actions. You can set your Automate to perform different actions based on whether a recipient read your email or clicked a link inside your campaign. You can then set up pauses before the next action, like sending up a follow-up campaign, or you can choose to end this path. Automate provides a multitude of ways to build your own custom journey and fully automate your email marketing.